We knew we had rain yesterday and we had some wind. We didn't know we didn't know that this happened. Hi guys, welcome back to Escaping the Ordinary, where we let God make the way. Today is another day of stump removal. We had that rain came in. I thought it was going to be done with, but it came in and it knocked down a tree limb from over here. It tore up the kids' trampoline. It took our umbrella across the yard. It caused a whole mess. It was like a mini tornado. But that's okay. We're back at it over here today, and we're going to get some more stumps removed. Got taken down. It came off from right there where you can see these two are one of my favorite trees. They're the ones I wanted to keep because they're in the front yard, and that limb keeps breaking down. I hope it's done losing its limbs. It just makes me so upset, but that's okay. It's chilly today, so we got our blankets and our long sleeves and sweaters on. Yeah, she's watching Bubby and Daddy. On its way out. How much fun a tree can be. It may have fell down, but we can still make some fun out of it. James has gotten that stump out over there. Whoa! You about lost your boot. Your feet. Where'd Sissy go? What's your brother doing? He's silly. Yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. Aiden. Guys, so we're gonna end the video here. One of the hydraulic lines actually busted on the backhoe, which he plans on getting it fixed, but since it's Saturday, nothing for that is open, so we gotta wait till Monday. But that's okay, because we still got three stumps out today, which is still progress. So we'll just have to get back out to it Monday. We actually went up to our booth this morning too and got that restocked this morning. And as we was walking out, because we take things out if they've been in there for a little bit and they haven't sold, And as we was walking out, some guy was like, hey, I'll take the rest of it. So I actually made some sales walking out of our booth today. And then we made a $10 sale on eBay today. Not big, but that was good. We also sold a saw that came out of a pallet for $120. So we actually made some sales elsewhere, even if it wasn't eBay today. But the property, wanted to show you guys the 2 stumps he did get out. He got that one out, and that one over there. And then we got those 2 out yesterday. So we've gotten 5 stumps out. I'm pretty proud of that. We got this one still to go, so we can put our house here eventually, get our driveway put in. I would still say it was a successful day. We will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.